Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa urimi niwe Philip Kerohalsama augite ati ni mubango matacoketie itemi-ini ria guteithiriria arimi gukorwo makiohorwo kioho-ini kana gukorwo makigomerwo na njira nene ni tutambi tutu na turia tukoretwo tumahahithitie na njira nene no makiria urimi-ini wao wa mucere.
Makuragia mucere aya mafama mucere witu tukoretwo tukithumburwo ni Ndinoho na ni mukoretwo mukiona ngimudistribute dawa ya Ndinoho kile mutionete ko andu monete gitwara timirima ingi gitwara dawa ya Ndinoho omothe ni otoka launch
hii konokono. Watu wanaongea kuhusu si madhara tu katika shamba la mchele, ni kuna shida mingi zaidi. Nimekaa na mama pale kwa sababu mimi nimekaa pale na wanduzi wangu pale nyuma, na ukiangalia wamama wengi na wazee, zile konokono zimewakatakata mpaka mikono kwa sababu ziko na magamba magumu sana.
We are grateful that you've come here because of this apple snails, which has been a problem for the last 1 week. But before this day, the directorate here and our county team had already distributed, also with the IMP, had distributed the pest control or whatever you have brought today, and you're going to tell us more about it. And we are grateful that you gave KIRINYAGA priority.
I commend the national and county levels of government technical teams who moved with speed to identify sections of the irrigation scheme where pilot control operations will be undertaken. Control Product Board PCPB to work closely with the multi-institutional technical team and county extension staff to monitor the success of these pilot control operations for golden apple snail.
Jokerie gatho PS wa crops ni undu wa protection ni undu wa dawa eno ya Ndinoho. Dawa eno ya Ndinoho aria mabuthirite na ni njui ni buthirite gwakwa mugunda ni njui ni iraruta wira no itiraruta wira uria tungienda irute tondu no twende irute gukira uria iraruta ni regucia vanini no ni mui kindu gikigerio gitiambaga kuretwo kiothe tondu riu ningi ndui mai maya ni maracoka makathie rui makathie kanaro na ng'ombe citu cigacoka cigeka atia cikanyua maĩ.
Muraia umwe kuma bururi-ini wa Costa Rica wikaine ta Dionchevs kuma bururi-ini uyu wa Costa Rica ni akionanitie ciiko cia tha na ni gukorwo agiteithia